Hey y'all, guess what? It's December and already I'm jonesing from being out in the garden. And so guess what? I am going to try my hand at microgreens. Here we go, day one. So I purchased these little seed starting dishes from Amazon. We're just going to use the tray for the microgreens. Ultimately, we'll use a larger flat once we know what we're doing, but we're just going to go for it right now. So here we go. At first, I filled the tray with about 1/4 inch of water. Then I used fresh potting mix and filled the tray up to the top. In hindsight, I should have added even more soil into the tray before placing this other tray on for compression. The more soil provides for ease of cutting at harvest time. So I should have done a little bit better on that. This is a small little bag of microgreens that I used, but I believe for even planting, you need a lot more seeds than this. So here we go, spreading the seeds, but not nearly as thick as I believe they should have been. Take a look. You can clearly see how they are distributed. A good bottom watering could have fared very well with these seed plantings, but instead I sprayed them very well and then added weight to the top. I brought them inside the house and placed them on my heat and light stand. At this point, I could have added more weight. At 4 days, I noticed that the sprouts were pushing through and they had lifted the top weight. I removed the top weight cover, gave the sprouts a good dose of water, and then placed them back on the light shelf under a nice light. I added ventilation, and then in no time at all, with the light and the ventilation, you see that the sprouts started to turn green. I could have had a more carpeted area of microgreen germination with more seeds, but we went with it. It's day 9, and let's do something with this. We're going to add it to our meal plan. So tonight, as an appetizer, we're going to have bruschetta. It's just a recipe that I kind of made up. It's bruschetta toast, it's red onion, tomato, garlic, olive oil, balsamic vinegar, mozzarella cheese. We didn't have any basil, so we'll just see how it turns out.